It's time to treat your body and mind at the Lotus Spa. On the Sky Princess, this is located on deck 5 forward, just past guest services, and includes the beauty salon, treatment rooms, and the enclave. We recommend taking the free spa tour on the first day of your cruise so that you can get in-depth information on your sailing. In the beauty salon, you can of course get your nails polished, manicured, or pedicured, has multiple options for hair washing, cuts and coloring, eyelashes and waxing, men's grooming including shaves or beard and neck trims, and they even provide teeth whitening treatments. There are many different kinds of treatment rooms available, including the Princess Signature and Seaweed treatments, aroma stone therapy, massages such as bamboo and couples massage, body therapies, and acupuncture. The Enclave is a thermal suite luxury spa experience, with the hydrotherapy pool being one of the key features. This type of pool uses therapeutic properties of water to promote relaxation and well-being. Beside this, you have access to heated tiled lounge chairs and sensory showers with different experiences. You also have access to specially crafted saunas and steam rooms. Now, there has been some confusion about the Enclave in the past, where it would show you able to book both the Enclave and the thermal suite, but on Royal Class ships, the Enclave is the same as the thermal suite. Now, booking this pre-cruise is cheaper. You can currently get it for $149, or it'll be $179 while on board. There is the possibility of day passes, but pricing and availability will depend per cruise, so make sure to check with the spa desk. Now, one thing that not a lot of people might know about is that children and teens also have some options at the spa. You can do a mother and daughter and father and son massages, and at the salon they can get their nails and hair done, as well as having makeup lessons.